Hello and welcome to a new walking video through a park. I'm Annika, I'm your garden guide in Tokyo and around, and I love taking you to parks and gardens. We are here at the Tama Central Park, and I already knew that they are doing a lot of renovation at the moment. This area is actually a little bit similar to another park. Maybe I will do a video on that one too in the future. But first we will go to our destination, the former residence of the Tomizawa family. I haven't been there, so it's the first time for me. I only know how it's looking on pictures. The closest station to this park is Tama Center, and it's the same station for the Sanrio Pyudo, the amusement park for Sanrio characters. Let's have a look at this here. I don't know what it is, but I already saw children, so maybe the playground is close by. They really renewed a lot, so the whole grass area looks new, and here it looks like they planted new bamboo. That's not high bamboo, it's a low growing one, meant as a higher ground cover. A big pond. Oh, and I think we might already have arrived. This looks like a former residence. You are not allowed to eat and drink inside here, and also do not smoke. That was written on a sign in Japanese. There's another entrance. I really like the rock setting under the maple trees here. This one, but also this one. I will later go inside the house and take pictures there. Usually they do not like people who are filming inside. I have another video where I got permission for filming inside. You will find that in the walking parks section or in the playlist. The garden and residence is as small as I expected, but I expected it even less interesting, so I'm really happy that it turned out quite good. Now the rock setting is nice, then the path around the pond. The house is built in a very interesting architectural style, not like the kuminka you often find in such small parks. And also the area next to the entrance where we entered It's also very nice. And here's even a small waterfall. Yeah, so thanks for watching. I hope you liked this very small Japanese park / garden, and you will also watch our other videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up or subscribe, and we will see each other or hear each other in the next video. Bye!